This section is all about act out your story. Don't just read it. You are delivering a performance. That is what makes an incredible audiobook. The performance. Your acting chops do not have to be amazing. You don't have to be a Broadway actor or frickin' Morgan Freeman. God, I would love for him to narrate my books. Or anybody like that. But what you do have to do is you do have to bring your listener into the story. That's your job. So acting out what's going on is really, really important. Make sure that you are just as in the moment as the characters are. Because if the characters are in the moment and you're not in the moment, then the listener's not in the moment and they're going to get distracted. They're going to turn off your audiobook and they're never going to listen to anything else you write or narrate again. I'm telling you right now. Being charismatic doesn't have to be natural to you, but when you are in front of this microphone or your microphone, you really do kind of have to let yourself get into the moment. You can't put up a border wall. It does take practice. You will not be amazing the first chapter you read. Well, maybe you will, but it does take practice and you have to stay on it. You have to put the life into the characters. You have to put the life into the narration. When you are talking about, it was a dark, stormy night, it needs to be a dark, stormy night, not somebody said it was a dark, stormy night. I don't know. Did you say it was a dark, stormy night? Because I could have swore I heard somebody say it was a dark, stormy night. It needs to be a dark, stormy night. So remember, don't just read the story. Act it out. Be part of it. Get lost in the moment so that your listener can get lost in the moment.